Sometimes I'm little bit diverting from a topic. These things can also happen in mountains. This is what has happened in Ladakh in year 2010, and all the people who have passion for mountains, people like sitting over here, I think we need to keep in mind, and as and when something happens in mountains, there also we need to be ready to help those communities in the hour of need. And it was basically the initiative of our CEO, Mr. Ravi Singh, at that time, that he said, we are working in that area from long time, and now we have to shift our priorities for a while. And then we launched a massive operation. It is within the 3 days of those floods, WWF office was acting as a relief coordination agency in that area, and we got many support from many airlines, lifted the materials to lay, and within a short span, without much of bureaucratic process, we were able to do that. I don't know, the whole slide is not working, but this is the picture, basically WWF's vision for Himalayas is, and we want to work in this region for many more years. And why I am showing this picture is that 40% of the world's population, which lives either this side or that side, depends on the waters which comes from Himalayas. And I think that's very, very, this water again, that small water tank, I've shown you the examples of hundreds and thousands of lakes which are there. They are very, very important for us. And before I conclude, if anybody in this room has a binocular like this, please separate the message that we need to take it out, clean it, and venture out into the to the Himalayas. Thank you.
Pankaj, thank you very much.